Hello students, today I am going to start my fourth video and it is second video for standard 9 or 9 graded students, and I wish that all the students will follow my class nicely. And now I will draw 45-degree angle. First I am taking AB, a ray AB, AB. At A, I have to draw a right angle at first. This is the right angle. A. This is the C. It is right angle. Means angle CAB is 90 degree. It is right angle, but it is not the process to draw right angle. To draw right angle, we have to use pencil compass and a ruler. Today I will do construction from the chapter 11 of NCERT book, and this today exercise 11.1. Number 2 question. Construct an angle of 45 degree at the initial point of a given ray and justify the construction. This is the second question. First, taking a ray AB. A is a center with any radius, drawn an arc. This arc cut the ray at C. Now from C means C is the center with same radius, drawn another arc. This arc cut or intersect the previous arc at D. Now from D is the center with the same radius, I have drawn another arc. This arc intersect the first arc at E, and from E means E is the center with same radius, I have drawn another arc. This arc intersect the previous arc at F. Now join AF. This is the right angle I have proved just now. Now from G means from this, with taking a radius more than half of CG, drawn an arc and from C means C is the center, I have drawn another arc. Both the arc intersect at M. Now MAB, angle MAB is 45 degree. Now justify. Joint CM and GM. In triangle GAM and triangle CAM, CAM, AG equal to AC, GM equal to CM by construction, and AM equal to AM common. Therefore, by SAS property, triangle AGM congruent to triangle ACM. Therefore, CAM equal to GAM. CPCT. Therefore, CAM, angle CAM equal to 90 by 2 equal to 45 degree equal to GAM, angle GAM both. Today up to this much. On the next day I will construct that number 2, 3 and 4, and I wish that all the students will like and subscribe my channel, and my channel name is Maths for Intelligence. Today up to this much.